Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is episode 1 of the Costa Rica series. I wanted to give y'all some context and some disclaimers. I moved to Costa Rica to work as a teacher for this government program that teaches English to adult learners. They gave me a homestay, so I lived with the family the whole entire time. And in the beginning, it was really, a lot to adjust, a new job, a new family, the language barriers. So I really didn't record as much. So a lot of this is just pictures, Snapchats, vertical videos, but I'm up on game now. So all new content going forward will be horizontal and in the format it needs to be. But like I said, I really just wanted to scrapbook the journey, memorialize it, and put it all in one place. So I hope y'all enjoy. So coming into Costa Rica, I didn't even really know where I was going to be living or working. The job was basically like, you're going to be in San Jose for the training. We're going to fill you out, see how your teaching style is, and then that will determine where you're placed, and that will determine where, what family we have for you. So I didn't know if I was going to be in the mountains, the beach, the rural side, the city, like everything was up in the air. So, third day into the job, they're like, oh, the government is shutting off the water tomorrow to work on things, so we can't have training because we can't have y'all here with no running water. So they planned us a little unexpected excursion, but it was nice. We got to go to this waterfall and animal sanctuary. So Costa Rica is like 25% rainforest, and it's very lush and very green. It rains pretty much from May to November. Like, that's the rainy season. You will catch rain every day. And then December to April is like summer, and that's like the dry season. Got a good picture for you. Oh my god.
Look at this. It's an owl. That's what we call an owl butterfly.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
They look so pretty that they almost look fake.
Friends, you can take all.
So in November, I finally figured out where I'm going to stay, and I moved to Perez Zeledon. Perez Zeledon is about 2 hours away from San Jose. It's a very small town. I lived up in the mountains. It was very peaceful, very relaxing. I absolutely loved my host family. God was truly looking out when He allowed me to enter into their home. They were just so welcoming and just made me feel like a daughter. So let's get into the food real quick. So Costa Ricans will eat rice for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. Like, it's wild to me. Like, the breakfast rice, gallo pinto, I'm not gonna lie, it grew on me. But in the beginning, I was like, wow, rice for breakfast? Like, that's just wild to me. But my host mom used to, honestly, like, she was the best because she used to switch it up. She used to give me some rice some days, then she would give me some potatoes. But they eat a very carb heavy diet. So you can see she gave me some salad, and I love me a little salad. She used to give me some fruit. They eat a lot of eggs and stuff too. So yeah, it was all really good though. You could tell she made the food with love. It's the presentation for me, because everything was always plated so nicely. Like, it was A1. So then I started teaching and I absolutely loved it. It wasn't a requirement for the teachers to know Spanish because the job actually really wanted us to speak English in the classroom 100% of the time. But I found that was just extremely difficult because my students were at all different levels. Some were like really advanced, some were like really basic, and I felt like I could empathize with my students because I was learning Spanish and they were learning English. So I would do my best to kind of speak in both. But it was a nice change of pace because in the States I work as a academic advisor, so I'm used to more like supporting students and giving them resources than classroom instruction. last thing I did in November was take a trip to Dominical. This is like an hour from where I lived. It's kind of touristy, but it's mainly a beach for surfers. Like the water is super rough, the shore is super rocky, so we mainly just chilled by the pool. If anything, there was more ticos there than tourists. And ticos is what Costa Ricans call themselves. Another thing you're gonna hear a lot in Costa Rica is Puravida. Puravida literally means pure life, but they use it for hello, goodbye, I'm good, I'm chilling. They use it for everything. And then the young people, they might throw in a little my at the end. My is like bro, sis, dude, homie. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed seeing what my first month was like. I hope y'all learned a little something, and I will see you in episode 2. Bye!